How to log into Kwik Trip Credit Card online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Kwik Trip online account of your credit card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Kwik Trip Credit Card online login. And after that, here you'll find different websites. What you'll need to do is head over to Kwik Rewards. So this is the website right here, kwikrewards.com. You can directly head over there as well. Then right here, you'll find this login option. Tap on login and it'll take you to the login page of this website. So there we go. Now, all you have to do is type in your email address or your username, whichever you used when you set up your account. So let me type in an email here and then type in a password. Then, if you want to make your login process easier, tap on Remember Me and simply tap on Login to log in into your account. And that's how simple it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.